Kids from Cool Kids Smoothies
And lemonade.
and Lemonade. Today we're going to be making our most requested smoothie.
Let me guess, it's strawberry, isn't it?
Yep, you guessed it. And before we even start, we washed our hands, so let's get into it.
So how do we make the smoothie?
Well, we always use fresh produce, and I freeze mine overnight so I don't have to add extra ice. And then next, we always add our half thing of yogurt. You could do it by itself, but when you put it together, it is so good. Then next, we have our special ingredient.
That's just apple juice.
Shh, don't tell nobody. That's my favorite part.
If you like chicken nuggets, then you gotta sing along. If you like chicken nuggets, this is your favorite song. If you like chicken nuggets, then you gotta sing along. If you like chicken nuggets, this is your favorite song. Sing it. Chicken, chicken nugget, yeah. Chicken, chicken nugget, yeah. Chicken, chicken nuggets, yeah, 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 yeah. Sing it. Chicken, chicken nugget, yeah. Chicken, chicken nugget, yeah. Chicken, chicken nuggets, yeah, 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 yeah.
This is good and all, but we could use something to warm us up.
I have the perfect drink. Hot chocolate. This is so good. Bye, y'all.
Thanks for having us.